Kia ora. We're really excited to have you along to test drive. My name's Sean. I'm one of the relationship managers here at Boost, and we thought we'd make this video to unpack a little bit about who we are and what's important to us. So the first thing to know about us is that we're a purpose-driven organisation, and our purpose is to support others to create positive and lasting impacts. Essentially, we're here to do work that makes the world a better place. An important part of this is we're very intentional about partnering with organisations that share our purpose, and we're lucky to work with some amazing government departments. Supporting our purpose are a shared set of values that unite us. The first value is te hopo whatea, or courage. So this value for us centres around our feedback culture. So the leaning into giving and receiving feedback, holding our opinions lightly, and just being brave and giving things a go. Rangatiratanga manukura, or servant leadership. So here we believe that we can all be leaders and that all leaders serve. We're focused on what we can do for others, so we want to be humble and trusting, and value service over status. Haipapatanga, or responsibility. So first and foremost, we take responsibility for our clients' outcomes and also take responsibility for our own learning and sharing our knowledge with each other. Manaakitanga. We want everyone to feel welcome in our space and create an environment where everyone can be successful. We're a freedom-centred democratic workplace. So what this means is we're certified as a democratic workplace through an organisation called World Blue. We design our workplace around a set of 10 democratic principles, and what we want to do is create an environment where everyone's voice can be heard and everyone has the opportunity to contribute. So some of the key elements of a democratic workplace are transparency. So we want a workplace where information is openly shared, and this can mean anything from what's going on in particular role-based groups, the strategic direction of the business, right down to the financials and how things are going there. Another aspect of this is balance. So we always want to balance the needs of the individual with the needs of the group and make sure both sets of needs are respected and valued. We coach for success. So we do this in 3 ways. We coach each other through the way we collaborate and the feedback we give to each other. We coach our clients when we collaborate with them looking to solve their outcomes within their projects. And we coach the public through our Agile training and courses. We work in an Agile way. So we work closely and really collaboratively with our clients to understand what they need and how we can best deliver for them. We break our work down and work iteratively to deliver software regularly so that we can see how the users interact with it, learn, and feed that learning back into the development process. On our projects, we choose to use small dedicated teams. What this means is that our teams are dedicated to one client project at a time, which allows them to focus and removes the cost that can come from context switching. We are client-facing, and we focus on building strong, high-trust relationships with our clients. At Boost, our culture is really important to us. So some of the unique things that we do to drive our culture are things like one-on-ones. At Boost, we don't have managers, but everyone has a one-on-one coach. And that's someone they can sit down with, talk through their goals, reflect on their learning, and set any goals for the future. When we want to sit down and collaborate on a particular challenge or issue the business is facing, we use something that we call the Boost Brain process. And that's where we get the entire business in a room and we brainstorm ideas around innovative ways that we could approach that particular challenge. When someone has exhibited a behaviour that really exemplifies one of our 4 values, they receive something called a medallion. And each month, we have a ceremony to celebrate team members who have been really living our values.
Kia ora, I'm Nat and I'm the People Support Coordinator at Boost. So what's Test Drive all about? It's a collaborative hiring event where you can come and meet members of the Boost team and work on problem-solving activities with the other attendees. So why are we hiring like this? Collaboration is a core part of how we work. And Test Drive Boost is designed in a way for us to learn a bit more about you and how you work with others. As Sean mentioned earlier, transparency is really important to us. And so for you, coming along to Test Drive gives you a chance to learn more about Boost as a company. The more you know about us here at Boost, the better you are equipped to make a decision about where you might want to work next. Test Drive also empowers our team to make decisions together on who we work with. It's also a chance for you to show us what you can bring to our team rather than tell us in an interview. So what the night will look like is you'll arrive, we'll have some pizza and snacks, and then we'll give you a bit of a quick overview of where the facilities are here at Boost, and then we'll get into those collaborative exercises. And so what we'll do is we'll get you into groups of 2 or 3. You'll pair up with someone that you don't know. You'll also pair up with a booster, and they'll take you to your little spot in the office. They'll hand over your collaborative exercises, and you'll be able to get into working with your paired partner. The Boost team member will be there to observe. Throughout the evening, we'll have 3 rounds of the exercises, and in each round, we'll get you to pair up with a new partner, and you'll also be observed by a new booster as well. Well, that's all from me. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to welcoming you to the Boost office soon.